Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to send a follow request on TikTok. First of all, you can open the TikTok application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the search bar at the top right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply search for the profile that you want to send a request. I can search this profile, that is Mr. Hanan 12, and after this you can now tap on the profile, and here you can see the one more option, that is follow, and after tapping on follow, the other person is accepted your follow request. You can see this option, that is message, and it is a way you can send follow request on TikTok. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.